Hello, everyone. We're here at CBCells Laboratory, the top laboratory in all of Mexico. We're the top in the world. This is the laboratory that Dr. Romo exclusively works with and has worked with for how long, Dr. Romo?
16 years.
16 years. So with this laboratory, you can ensure that the quality of the stem cells, the cleanliness, the sanitation. We are in a viewing window out here, and as you can see, everything is sealed off perfectly. I myself have worked with well over 3,000 patients with Dr. Romo over the years with absolute perfect application, no issues whatsoever. So this is an important component that you can see the actual laboratory actually cultivating the mesenchymal stem cells. So I'm glad you can see this here today. There'll be upwards of 10 billion stem cells produced today, daily, with over 200 patients throughout Mexico. So thank you, everyone.
Visit cellularhealthclinic.com to learn more. Have questions? Contact us at 1-866-557-5253. We are here to help you. Cellular Health Clinic.